Top 5 reasons I love my Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric lawnmower. Maintaining a healthy and well-manicured lawn is important for any proud homeowner. But the most critical decision is what equipment to use to mow the lawn. The traditional gas mower has been around for ages, but the electric mower has quickly gained popularity due to its efficiency, low maintenance, and eco-friendliness. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric lawnmower is an excellent example of how electric mowers are transforming the industry. In this review, I will share 5 reasons I prefer the Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric mower to a traditional gas mower. Reason number 1, hassle-free starting. Starting a gas mower can be a challenging task for many homeowners, especially if the mower has been sitting idle for weeks. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric lawnmower eliminates this problem with its simple and easy push-button start system. You do not need to worry about pulling cords and mixing gas or oil. Reason number 2, economic savings. One of the most significant advantages of the Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric mower is the cost effectiveness. In contrast to gas mowers, electric mowers do not require purchases of gas or oil, which can accumulate to substantial savings over time. This mower is powered by 2 lithium-ion batteries, which are not only long-lasting, but also cost-effective in the long run. Reason number 3, easy setup. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric lawnmower offers a straightforward setup process that will have you mowing in a matter of minutes. Once the product is unboxed, simply insert the batteries, adjust the handle to your preferred height, and you're ready to go. There's no need for complicated assembly, fluids, or tools. This mower is designed with the user convenience in mind, getting your lawn maintenance underway without delay. It comes with a charger and 2 5-amp-hour 20-volt Craftsman batteries. Reason number 4, noiseless performance. Electric mowers are much quieter than gas-powered models. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric lawnmower eliminates the need for ear protection, allowing you to enjoy your gardening time without worrying about disturbing your neighbors. This means you can mow anytime, day or night, without bothering anyone. Reason number 5, environmentally friendly. Electric lawnmowers produce 0 emissions, making them better options for the environment compared to gas mowers, which emit harmful gases and fumes. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric mower comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, which eliminate the need for gas and oil, hence reducing the carbon footprint. Those were the top 5 reasons why I love my Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric lawnmower. But here are a few bonus reasons. Bonus reason number 1, low maintenance. A traditional gas mower requires regular maintenance to ensure that it runs smoothly. This involves regular oil changes, spark plug replacement, and carburetor cleanings. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric mower requires minimal maintenance. With the exception of battery charging, this means that you will save both time and money on maintenance. Bonus reason number 2, superior performance. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric mower offers excellent performance compared to a traditional gas mower. It is lightweight, easy to push, and has a 20-inch cutting width that allows for efficient mowing. The mower also has an adjustable cutting height, which makes it easy to customize according to your lawn's needs. Bonus reason number 3, easy storage. The Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric lawnmower shines in terms of storage as well. Owing to the absence of any gas or oil components, this mower can conveniently be stored vertically or even hung on the wall without any fear of leakage. This makes it an excellent choice for those with limited space. What's more, this electric mower can seamlessly be paired with the Craftsman VersaTrack system. This system is perfect for organizing your garage or shed, allowing you to hang and hook your tools neatly, including the mower, thus maximizing your storage space. In conclusion, the Craftsman 2X 20-volt electric mower is a reliable and efficient alternative to traditional gas mowers. Its hassle-free starting, noise-free operation, eco-friendliness, low maintenance, and superior performance make it an excellent investment for any homeowner. The electric mower's benefits make it light years better than a traditional gas mower. It is by far the better, healthier, and more environmentally friendly option for keeping your lawn clean and attractive. Say goodbye to your gas mower today and embrace the electric alternative to enjoy all the benefits it offers.